What if aging wasn't inevitable? What if the reason you feel tired, foggy, and slower after 40 isn't just stress? What if it comes down to one single molecule inside your cells? There is one supplement that longevity experts keep coming back to. Not a trendy superfood, not another vitamin C. Something that works at the deepest level of your biology. Today, we break it all down. What it is, why it works, and exactly how to use it. To understand the solution, you first need to understand the problem. Inside every cell in your body, there is a molecule called NAD+. Think of NAD+ as the electricity that powers your entire biological system. It fuels your mitochondria, the tiny engines inside your cells that produce energy. It activates proteins that repair damaged DNA. It regulates your metabolism, your immune system, and even how well you sleep. By the time you reach your 40s, your NAD+ levels have dropped to roughly half of what they were in your 20s. This decline is not just a side effect of aging. Scientists now believe it is one of the primary causes of aging. So what actually happens when NAD+ drops? First, your energy crashes, not just tiredness, a deep cellular exhaustion. Your mitochondria cannot produce energy efficiently anymore. Second, your DNA repair slows down dramatically. Every single day, your DNA gets damaged by sunlight, pollution, and stress. When NAD+ is low, that damage accumulates. That is what we call aging. Third, your metabolism slows. Fat storage increases, muscle mass decreases. Fourth, brain fog sets in, slower thinking, memory issues. This is aging happening at the cellular level right now. This is where NMN comes in. NMN, Nicotinamide Mononucleotide, is a direct precursor to NAD+. When you take NMN, your body converts it into NAD+ almost immediately. Think of it like adding premium fuel directly to your cells. You already get tiny amounts of NMN from broccoli, avocados, and milk. But the amounts in food are far too small to make a meaningful difference. Supplements bridge that gap in a way food simply cannot. Within hours of taking NMN, studies show measurable increases in NAD+ levels in the blood. Now let's talk about the science. NMN has been studied in both animal models and human clinical trials. In mice, NMN reversed many markers of aging within weeks. In human trials, it improved cardiovascular function and muscle insulin sensitivity. It improved sleep quality and physical endurance. One study found that older adults taking NMN performed significantly better on fitness tests than the placebo group. Another showed improvements in biological age markers, meaning cells were functioning like younger cells. The research is still growing, but the direction is consistently positive. But don't just take the research at face value. Look at who is actually taking it. David Sinclair is a professor of genetics at Harvard Medical School. He has dedicated his career to understanding why we age and how to slow it down. Sinclair has been taking 1 gram of NMN every morning for years. His biological age markers, lipid profile, inflammation levels, cardiovascular health, all point to a much younger man. He is nearly 60 years old, and his blood work looks closer to a 31-year-old. Rhonda Patrick and Peter Attia, two of the most respected names in longevity medicine, also include NMN in their protocols. When the people who study aging for a living are taking something, that is worth paying attention to. Let's get practical. How much should you actually take? Most longevity researchers recommend between 500 milligrams and 1 gram per day. If you are new to NMN, start at 250 milligrams and work your way up over 2 to 4 weeks. Take it in the morning on an empty stomach. NAD+ plays a role in your circadian rhythm, so morning dosing aligns with your body's natural energy cycle. David Sinclair mixes his gram into a spoonful of yogurt every morning. NMN is generally considered safe. Studies have not found significant side effects at recommended doses. If you take prescription medications, check with your doctor first. Here is something most videos don't tell you. Not all NMN supplements are created equal. Independent testing found that many popular products contained far less NMN than their labels claimed. The supplement industry is not tightly regulated. So how do you protect yourself? Look for third-party tested products from organizations like NSF or USP. Ask for a certificate of analysis, a lab document confirming actual contents. Avoid suspiciously cheap products. Quality NMN is expensive to produce. Here is a bonus tip that could amplify your results significantly. NMN works even better when combined with resveratrol. Resveratrol is found naturally in red grapes, blueberries, and dark chocolate. It activates sirtuins, the same repair proteins that NAD+ powers. NMN is the fuel, resveratrol is the engine that burns that fuel more efficiently. Together they boost NAD+ levels 1.6 times higher than NMN alone. Take resveratrol with a small amount of fat. It absorbs much better that way. Start with NMN first, then add resveratrol after a few weeks. Let's bring it all together. As we age, NAD+ drops, and that drop is directly connected to how fast we age. NMN is the most direct, most studied way to bring those levels back up. The science supports it, the researchers take it, the trials are promising. Start with 250 to 500 milligrams in the morning. Choose a third-party tested brand. Be patient. The benefits build over weeks and months, not overnight. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It helps other people find this information. Subscribe for more science-backed longevity content every week. See you in the next one.